Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download the kit at the back for iOS and Android. So this is the full game, guys, and it fully works. So let's get straight into the video. So what you want to do is go to this site. It's called hexmods.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type it in. So as you can see, there it is. So we're going to press the download button, and before it downloads, guys, there is one step which I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do. So yeah, let's just wait for it to load here. As you can see, so basically we need to verify that we are real. So yeah, it's kind of weird, but it is necessary. So here it is, kit at the back mobile installer. Please complete 2 free apps to finish installing. So we got 4 apps here. We just got to choose 2 of them. We got TikTok, we got to run it for 30 seconds. We got WGT Golf, we got to reach level 10. But guys, you're probably not going to see the same apps as me. So as you can see, it brought me to the App Store. I just downloaded the app and reached whatever instructions it said. Personally, I did this Family Island one where you have to reach level 10, but that's pretty easy. So just make sure you guys follow through and you guys should be good to go. So I'm not really interested in mobile ports because most of them are not working, but guys, this actually works. It's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool and working. So as you can see, I have the game and it is updated and it is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this actually works. So if you guys are interested in playing this game, make sure you guys do the verification. It's pretty easy. I don't think you guys will encounter any issues, but I'm gonna see you guys in another video. So yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace out, bro.